This is Science Mentor, and in this lesson you will learn how to organize your spreadsheets in Excel when you want the printout. You can add headers or footers at the top or bottom of the printed worksheet in Excel. For example, you might create a footer that has page numbers, the date, and the name of your file. Headers and footers are displayed only in Page Layout view, Print view, and on printed pages. You can also use the Page Setup dialog box if you want to insert headers or footers for more than one worksheet at a time. For other sheet types, such as chart sheets or charts, you can insert headers and footers only by using the Page Setup dialog box. On the Insert tab, in the text group, click Header and Footer. To add or edit header or footer, click the left, center, or right header or footer text box at the top or the bottom of the worksheet page. To specify whether the headers and footers should use the same font size and scale as the worksheet, select the Scale with Document checkbox. To make the font size and scaling of the headers or footers independent of the worksheet scaling, which helps create a consistent display across multiple pages, clear the checkbox. To remove headers and footers from the first printed page, select the Different First Page checkbox. To specify that the headers and footers on odd-numbered pages should differ from those on even-numbered pages, select the Different Odd and Even Pages checkbox. To make sure that headers or footers margin is aligned with the left and right margins of the worksheet, select the Align with Page Margins checkbox. To set the left and right margins of the headers and footers to a specific value that is independent of the left and right margins of the worksheet, clear this checkbox. You can use Navigation tab to switch to footer or back to the header. The header and footer elements group has a variety of predefined options you can use. Page number displays the current page number for each page. It is supposed to add page number as footer for all pages. Number of pages displays the total number of pages in the worksheet. We have 3 pages in the document and you can see the number of that. Current date displays the current date. Current type displays the current time of day. File path displays the workbook's name and file path. File name displays the workbook's name. Sheet name displays the worksheet's name. Picture picture opens the Insert Picture dialog box where you can browse for and insert a picture file. For example, I want to add logo on the top of pages and you can see the result. Also, Format Picture is only available once a picture has been inserted. This button allows you to adjust the picture size, brightness, or contrast. You can print entire or partial worksheet and workbook, one at a time or several at once. And if the data that you want to print is in a Microsoft Excel table, you can print just the Excel table. You can define margins in your workbook. For page orientation, there are two options, landscape and portrait. Based on your file, you can use one of them. Under Settings, select the arrow next to Print Active Sheets and select the appropriate option. Select the range of data that you want to print. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.